If a function is continuous over the closed interval from a to b, then the extreme value theorem states that the function has at least one minimum and one maximum. So in other words, the value of the function at d is less than f of x, which is less than f of c, for all x in that interval. Now if we look at this second example, the interval's open at c, so we can observe that the function has a maximum at d. But because f of c does not exist, and if we observe the limit of the function as x approaches c from the right, which evaluates the f of c, so in this case as x approaches c, the function approaches f of c, but never quite gets there. So there's no minimum.